Want to drive tons of traffic to your website or blog using Pinterest? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to use Pinterest strategically to bring in visitors and grow your brand. Let's get started. Why Pinterest? Did you know Pinterest isn't just a social media platform? It's actually a powerful search engine where users look for inspiration and solutions. With over 400 million monthly active users, it's the perfect place to showcase your content and drive traffic directly to your website. Optimize your profile. First, you need a professional Pinterest profile. Use a clear profile picture and write a bio that explains who you are and what value you provide. Don't forget to add your website link. Create click-worthy pins. Your pins need to stand out. Use high-quality images, bold text overlays, and colors that grab attention. Tools like Canva make it easy to design professional-looking pins in minutes. Also, make sure your pins have clear calls to action, like click to learn more. Create click-worthy pins. Your pins need to stand out. Use high-quality images, bold text overlays, and colors that grab attention. Tools like Canva make it easy to design professional-looking pins in minutes. Also, make sure your pins have clear calls to action, like click to learn more. Use keywords wisely. Pinterest works like a search engine, so keywords are key. Add relevant keywords to your pin titles, descriptions, and even your profile. This helps your pins show up when people search for related topics. Join group boards and use idea pins. Group boards can expand your reach by putting your pins in front of a larger audience. Also, don't skip idea pins. These short, engaging pins can build your audience and lead to more traffic over time. Be consistent and track results. Post consistently, at least 5 to 10 pins a day, and keep an eye on Pinterest analytics to see what's working. Adjust your strategy based on your top-performing pins. That's it. With these tips, you're ready to drive tons of traffic to your website or blog using Pinterest. Let me know in the comments which strategy you're most excited to try. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome tips. See you in the